Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make restaurant quality foods or better. From my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a pressure cooked neck bone soup. Fall off the bone, no doubt about it. Alright, so this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a pressure cooker. This is mine right here. This is a 8-quart pressure cooker. You're going to need 3 pounds of neck bones right here. I got this from my local butcher store. All fresh, okay? This is like 3.5 pounds of neck bones. All right, you're going to need some garden vegetables right here, 2 cans of those. You're going to need some beef base right here. You're going to need some barley right here. You're going to need like 3 sticks of, or 3 stalks of celery, 1 whole onion, 1 potato right here, and you're going to need some seasoning. This is right here, some pink sea salt. This is some black pepper. This is some granulated garlic, granulated onion. And this right here is just some thyme. And also, you're going to need some red wine, okay? So this is like a half a cup of red wine. But we're going to have to clean this up, these pork neck bones up first. And we're going to boil them and get all the impurities and stuff like that out of there before we add all our other flavors, okay? So, let's jump right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and wash these off, and I'll put these in the pot, and I'm gonna let those cook for about a good hour. I'm not putting anything else other than water and that. That should be like about 2 cups of water, okay? I'll see you guys in a minute. So here's my neck bones right here. 2 cups of water up in there. Just gonna put my lid on here. And we're going to cook this for about, I want to say, 30 minutes. Just put it on here. Yep, about 30 minutes. It only go up to like 40 in an hour. So we're going to cook that, and then I'll be back when we clean this up. You know, we just got to pretty much wash them off again once they get done. Okay? See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's my neck bones. I washed those off and all that good stuff. Poured all that dirty impurities and stuff out of there. These are the fall off the bones right here. So we're going to take most of the bones off of this. See what I'm saying? Pitch those in the garbage. You can use your tongues or whatever to take these bones out of here. Alright guys, okay, let's go ahead and jump into this. I'm going to go ahead and use this 1/4 cup of wine, throw that in there, like so. We have our vegetables already chopped up. I did use 1/4 cup of peas and carrots as well, with my potatoes and my onions and celery. Put that in there. And I have some okra that I want to put in there. I put like a cup of that, of the okra in there. And here's my vegetables, garden vegetables right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put those in there. Now this apparently got potatoes in it as well, so that means I don't have to use that many potatoes. So if you use this garden vegetables, they have potatoes in there already. And it got corn, it got green beans, and it's got carrots, and kidney beans. Alright, so here's my water. This is 3 cups of cold water. Pour that in there. And also I'm going to use some hot water. So come with this 2 cups of water right there. Get my beef base out. Use like a tablespoon of that. I'm just going to mix that up in here. I'm going to pour that in your pot. You know, you get discouraged if you didn't break it all the way down. It will break down eventually. Just mixing this around up in here. If you have some like stewed tomatoes, you can put that in there. I have some cherry tomatoes I'm thinking about putting in there as well. So this is this cornstarch right here. I'm gonna mix up. This is a tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm gonna put like about 2 tablespoons of cold water in there. Mix that around up in here. So you can pour this in there as well. It's our thickening agent. We don't want it too runny, so that's why we pour that in there. Alright, let's go ahead and put our seasoning in there. We're going to come with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, pink sea salt. Black pepper. We're going to come with 1/2 teaspoon of that. Like that. We're going to come with a tablespoon of granulated garlic. Come with a tablespoon of granulated onion. And some thyme, we come with 1/2 teaspoon. Alright. Mix that up in here. Now if you wanted to take like all your bones out your meat, you can do that as well. Just make it that much easier to eat. So I like to eat around my bone or whatever the case may be. Okay. Here's the bone, they ain't got nothing on it. Take that out. Alright, that looks like the only one. Alright. Now like I said, you can put that tomato, stewed tomato, or some cherry tomatoes or whatever. I'll probably put that in at the end, like close to being done. This is a 1/4 cup of barley. I'm just putting in there. Gotta get you some fiber in your life, buddy. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cook this for about another 40 minutes. Well, not another, but 40 minutes. And we already did a 1/2 hour barbecue for the meat. Okay guys. Alright, that's how we looking right now. I know it looks like a hot mess, but it's gonna taste good, I guarantee you that. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking this, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm finally done with this pressure cooked, fall off the bone, neck bones soup. Okay? Show you guys how that look up close. So yeah, that's how it looks. Fall off the bone. Ain't no bone to be found because I took them all out and it fell off the bone for real. Alright guys. That could be a thumbnail right there, huh? Alright, let me put this back over here. That's hot. Whew. So yeah, guys. This is my fall off the bone, neck bone soup. Alright? And you can use some Tabasco sauce, or you can use some French Red Hot, or whatever you want to use. You don't have to use any. But guys, if you enjoy this recipe, or like this video, please give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And that's right, you already know. Hit that bell just like that, so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love.